Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your GMC Sierra key fob battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It is important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, ensuring you can clearly see all the small components. Using the right tools helps prevent any accidental damage to your key fob during the process. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on one of the sides of the key fob casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a careful and steady hand, slowly twist or pry the screwdriver. This action will cause the two halves of the key fob to separate, revealing the internal components and the battery. With the key fob open, it is time to replace the battery. Before you remove the old one, take a moment to observe its orientation. Notice which side is facing up. Then, carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are firmly closed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure the new battery is working correctly. You are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.